beautiful soul. Let's channel some messages for you, some psychic, intuitive messages from your spirit guides, ancestors, and passed on loved ones, and from the spirits of nature. Let's see what wants to come for us. I don't know. I have zero idea. Usually sometimes I might have the idea what I'm gonna be recording, but today right now I don't have any idea. So let's just see. Spirit, speak through me. Setting an intention wherein like your inner child can sing, can dance, can play, can just move around freely. That's what you should be desiring. And you know we as people will be so healthier, and people around us will be very healthier when we can express, we can ask ourselves, we can ask questions. Like how a child will have a lot of curiosity, they will ask questions, they will look around. But what we are doing is we are even scared to look around, like, oh my god, what if this person sees me, what if this person, like, what if they, it's like we hold our curiosities back, and we hold our self expressions back. Like when we want to sing, we are not able to sing. When we want to dance, we are not able to dance. So all of these things are causing disease and sadness, so for example, for me, I like hugs and kisses. Like when I'm going out for a walk, I really love meeting people and and just like giving them a hug and kiss. So now when I see somebody and I feel like, okay, with this person I'm not able to do this, I don't feel, because I'm not feeling safe enough, or if I am in an environment wherein I cannot sing and dance, and like it's like when we stop singing, stop dancing, stop our curiosity, we shrink. But when we let ourselves express ourselves, our power starts to grow, our power starts to grow. And when we truly are in our power, that's when we genuinely can do the best for other people. When we are in our true power, we want to see other people in their power. This is what true power is. Being able to see other people doing better. Wanting better for them. Supporting them in becoming more powerful. And like we, holding, getting the hang of our jealousy. Not letting jealousy rule us. Because yes, there will be people who will be doing better than us. There will be people who will be secured while we might be struggling. And in so many other ways. And sometimes, we can be just jealous about, like, oh my god, how can she have so much calm? How can she have so much peace? How can she have so much of harmony? So then become aware and then start asking, like, God, show me how can I create more peace in our life, my life. How can I create more harmony in my life? And but you gotta understand that we all have such dark sides. We all have negative thoughts, down spirals. We all have our own inner demons, really destructive self that might be that that we might, like, destructive self as in we might be destructing ourselves, or we might be destructing others or the environment.
Bring magic in your life with my magic paintings. This painting says, dearest God, dearest Mother, thank you for guiding me. Thank you for leading my way. When you live around this painting, the way you start to move in this world very bravely, confidently, courageously, you would find yourself becoming most braver, bolder, confident version of yourself, and it's just so much divine guidance and peaceful energies into your life. Super powerful. Super. You can't miss the magic. You can't. I'm telling you, you cannot. Okay. Also, you can hire me and I will channel a customized magic painting uniquely for you. A painting that will bring lot of success, high vibrations, good energies, power, love, and like sacred, peaceful, pure energies into your life. It's so powerful, and
sometimes people are, really polluting the environment, making decisions that are against the environment. So that's the destructive self that is doing. So understanding our own inner demons and not letting them rule us, that's when you win. That's when you start to come into your power. Sometimes we can be so hateful of others. We can be looking at others with such hateful eyes, and in that moment the work lies there, that you stop and remind yourself like, okay, these are just my thoughts, that's not the true identity of the person. And it opens so much door for us, like this is what creates harmony, true harmony. When we are able to look beyond our limitations, our own projections, and choosing, because love is a choice. Love is actually a choice. Just give me a moment. What else, Spirit? What else, Spirit? Spirit said, show your outfit. Woohoo! Is this the message? What kind of message was that, Spirit? Was it really helpful for people? I keep feeling like, regardless of how much value I'm providing, I feel like, oh my god, I want to feel enough, within myself. Why do I'm not, whatever happens during the video, it's not me, it's the energy. Why are you not feeling enough? Why are you not okay? So what is the suggestion, Spirit? How can we realize our own value right now? Start affirming it. Spirit is saying start affirming it, like right now. Like, I'm valuable right now. What I'm offering is highly valuable right now. And as I'm offering it, in a way that I'm doing it, it's perfect. Okay, anything else, Spirit? Choosing calm. Spirit is saying choose calm. Choose peace. Choose harmony. Choose it. Choose it. Like, choosing it. Wow. Such a beautiful. Wow. I think people who are meant to feel the vibration, they felt it. I think something happened for you right now. Right? Something happened for you. You experienced something internally. Wow. Wow. My journaling course is in the bio. Like, link of it is in my bio. I have a journaling course. I have an ebook called Energetic Activation for Brand New Life. This ebook has this ebook has intentions, prayers, powerful verses, affirmations. As you go through it, you will it will set the new foundation of love, of peace, of calmness, of sexual energy, of good habits, because right now the foundation of your life might be set in lack, or in poor habits, or in self doubt and all of that. But as you go through the prayers and intentions and the verses in this ebook, it's something so powerful, okay? That will start to shift in your life. And my journaling course, the wisdom that I've shared inside my journaling course is the exact wisdom that you need right now to expand into your next magical era. And I have my magic pen paintings. You already know the power of them. So yeah, and another thing that I have for you is my 3 months of mentorship, working with me one on one for 3 months. And you will have the safe support system to navigate your anxieties, your self-doubt, your limiting beliefs, your fears with, and you will feel so much support and expansion in your life with my support, with like my psychic and intuitive abilities. I'll be able to help you a lot. And my one-on-one psychic guidance session are also available. Okay, see you in another video.